Alrighty, I have a pretty big update. Alpenfury has introduced metal detectors to that last phase before you board the train. Now, you are not allowed any loose articles on Alpenfury, and I can tell you at some points throughout the night, they were really strict about that policy. So you definitely have to make sure you have a glasses strap for your glasses. No phones will be allowed on Alpenfury. And this is because the park is taking an extra strong stance on loose articles for Alpenfury. This is going to be a very common practice that you see at a lot of theme parks happening over the years, so I am in no shock as to this being introduced on Alpenfury. I was actually expecting it to happen next year, but obviously they're taking it a lot more serious. There are incidences happening across the world on roller coasters and guests bringing their phones and loose articles on. And so this is definitely something you're going to see happening at a lot of theme parks. I would expect this to start being the normal for intense roller coasters, especially one like Alpenfury that spends about 90% of the time upside down. They still have the bins, as you can see here. This was filmed today. I wanted to show the entire process and also show you that it has not too much of an impact on operations that I could see, or at least while I was riding, it didn't impact operations at all. The team was still able to get everyone into positions and ready to board by the time the train was ready for us to board. I would actually say the biggest impact to operations is that little plank there that you see that has to move outwards with the gate. I would say that is honestly the biggest impact, and the bins, they move a little slow. But outside of that, I've always experienced really good operations at Alpenfury to the best that the ride can handle, so I have no complaints. But yeah, I think the lockers are a great idea. I would like to see Cedar Fair introduce maybe some free lockers, so you still have to pay if you want it longer or if you want larger items like a knapsack. But I would like to see them install maybe some cell phone lockers or speed up those bins, something to help increase the rider capacity up into the 800 range. I think they average somewhere around 500, 600 riders an hour, and it would be awesome to see them achieve 800, but that is outside of the ride team's ability because it comes down to the bins and the ride platforms, and multi-move would be a nice addition as well. But I just wanted to update you guys on the lockers. It did not, honestly, it's not super sensitive. I had my Meta glasses on, as you can see here. This was filmed tonight when I rode, and it didn't even set it off. So yeah, nothing negative that I could experience. I know some people said that they waited a really long time and it was impacting operations, but when I went and experienced it, it was not. And you can actually see that in this video that I filmed. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Again, definitely visit Haunt on Fridays. I have a video I'm working on to show some proof of some things and some tips and tricks because you're going to need it because Haunt is already busy. But anyways, have a good one, guys. Bye.